Welcome to my channel, Enthusiast Gardener. Today, we're diving into the delightful world of raspberries. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, growing raspberries from seed indoors is a rewarding journey. It might seem tricky, but with a little patience, you can have your own raspberry patch blooming in no time. Let's get started. First things first, let's get our seeds. Unlike tomato or pumpkin seeds, raspberry seeds aren't sold everywhere, but you can easily extract them from fresh berries. Place your raspberries in a food processor and puree for about a minute and a half. Pour the puree into a fine strainer. Use a spatula to work it through, separating the juice and pulp from the seeds. Rinse the seeds thoroughly under running water to remove any remaining fruit. Spread the clean seeds on a paper towel and let them dry for 24 hours. Now, let's talk containers. You can use anything from seed trays to recycled yogurt cups or egg cartons. Just make sure they're clean and have drainage holes. This helps prevent waterlogging and keeps your seedlings healthy. If reusing containers, sanitize them with a mild bleach solution. Soak for 10 minutes, then wash and dry thoroughly. Next, take the time to carefully fill your containers with a high-quality seed starting mix, ensuring that each container is evenly packed but not overly compressed. This specialized mix is designed to provide the ideal balance of essential nutrients and excellent moisture retention, both of which are crucial for nurturing young raspberry plants as they begin their growth journey. By using such a well-formulated mix, you are setting up a fertile environment that promotes strong root development and overall plant vigor, which will ultimately lead to robust and fruitful raspberry plants. To begin the process of planting raspberry seeds, gently and thoughtfully sprinkle the raspberry seeds across the surface of the soil in your prepared containers. It is essential to ensure that you space the seeds evenly apart from one another to avoid overcrowding, as this will help promote healthy growth and development. Keep in mind that placing a few seeds per container is sufficient to create a robust planting, allowing the plants to flourish without competing for resources. Gently apply a thin layer of seed starting mix over your raspberry seeds, ensuring not to overwhelm the seeds but providing just enough coverage to facilitate proper germination and growth. Once the seeds are covered, you should gently pat the soil to eliminate any air pockets and enhance soil to seed contact, which is crucial for germination. After this, it is important to thoroughly moisten the soil using a fine mist from a spray bottle to avoid displacing the seeds or creating runoff, which can wash them away. Next, place the containers in a warm location, ideally with a temperature ranging between 70 degrees Fahrenheit and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature range is conducive to activating the seed's metabolic processes, encouraging sprouting. If necessary, using a heat mat can help maintain consistent warmth. Observe the moisture level in the soil regularly, ensuring it remains evenly moist but not soggy, as too much water can lead to damping off diseases that can kill seedlings. Don't forget to label your container with the date and type of seed. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later. In a few weeks, you'll see little seedlings appear. Make sure they get plenty of light. Once they have their first true leaves, transplant them into slightly larger pots with well-draining potting mix. Keep them in a bright spot and continue to water as needed. And there you have it. Growing raspberries from seed indoors is a fantastic way to enjoy these delicious fruits right from your home. With a little patience, you'll have your very own raspberry plants ready for the garden, or to keep growing indoors. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Subscribe for more gardening tips and stay tuned for our next exciting project.